General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
No, the work ain't gonna do itself. Week 1, NFP week. It's been a lot of people scared of Trump and the tariff and the trade war. Just sensationalism, the overreactions. So we gotta market this. The volatility is pretty high. Let me see. What am I looking for? News, Forex Factory. Jobs numbers came in terrible. PMI came in pretty cool. Let's see this. Tomorrow's unemployment claims and Waller talks. Unemployment claims for Waller is tomorrow. Let's see how this CME Fed Watch was looking up these jobs numbers. I doubt that this month they'll do anything different, even if this is down. Okay, 93. That's what we had yesterday. $93. Fed Watch is still the same. Let's look at next session. 63% no change. This actually went down because I believe it was 41%. So I believe this is May meeting chances of a rate cut went down after today's news. I believe yesterday it was at 41%. Earnings, let me get that from here. We didn't have nothing. Market moving. tomorrow's Broadcom and Costco. Broadcom and Costco. Even put the logo there. You see this just to double check that was 41 yesterday. Yep, it was 41. I'm not tripping. Let me hit the slick charts. Top 10. Slick charts. NASDAQ. So we can see this top 10 because I believe, I know AVGO is up there. Costco is up there too. So this is NASDAQ top 10. And the weight. You can even throw the price in. Keep the picture cool. Let me see the dollar on the daily. Ooh, target hit on the dollar. This thing, no sign of turn around for the dollar. Look like we almost here too. We had this order block here. I feel like, well, I know this is the next target. This 103,700. $103,700 is next on the dollar. Down dollar, up gold. 103.700 next level on the dollar. Big currencies are going crazy. The Forex people having all the fun. What happened today on the one and only NASDAQ? Let me see what this VIX is doing now. Still high, still close to risk off. Started off a little bit higher, open higher and went lower. I don't need this no more. Still pretty high on the VIX. The market is waiting for certainty. Certainty. That's what I spell. Certainty. Get this tariff stuff together and continue on with business. Let's go here. That's the daily. This is something I put on the chart today. So I did like how we came. What is this? This stays. This level got reclaimed. And look how the weekly candle. We still got weekly open up here. Target missed. Goes on today's log. Target missed. Go to the weekly. Okay. Previous quarter was hit. Coming back above. previous week's low. What's this whole weekly high? Previous month's high. Yeah, we can keep that there. We ain't even close to it. I'll clean that up eventually. My chart's actually kind of been kind of dirty. I'll be keeping those on there because when I take off everything and then put everything back on to like get a fresh look, I'll be forgetting some levels. So I don't know, human error. I'll just leave it on there. Thinking low of the week could be put in. It's just very slow coming back up. No real displacement to the upside yet. Go here to the daily. See, still not closing below this. That was something on the H1. We still got this new week opening gap up here too. We didn't break that high either. Still not closing below. That is Thursday's low. Still not closing below Thursday's low. Still not closing below Thursday's low. I'm thinking higher prices. And I'm thinking, hold on, let me look at this. Look at this wick. Sometimes these wicks be like, we dug into that wick a lot. But price can be holding for earnings or NFP or Trump. So we got all this make volatility great again activity going on. Go here. What's this? 4-hour order block that I was looking at. We closed above it, came back, dug into it, disrespected it. This is more like chop. Whatever candle this is, 1400. It's kind of holding price. So I'm taking this off. Came and wicked that. Don't really see too many inefficiencies. This is manipulation, time distortion. Where is equilibrium of this? So 3-bar high, 3-bar low. Kind of just hanging out in this range. Price hanging around 50% of this range. No real institutional order flow pushing us in either direction. Pushing us in either direction. Let's go to H1. This is still my target, 28.57. Let me Delete this. I think this is like a weekly. What's this? Daily. That was original consolidation. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, still keeping it here. 28.57 is my target. $28.57.00 is my target for Thursday. Yeah, you never know. AVGO and Costco can push us higher. All right. That is that on that. Y'all have a good day. And peace and blessings. Let me save this first.